Good morning, all of you. This is Digital Electronics Lab, and today we will perform the first experiment. Okay, to study the operation of logic gates and verify their truth table. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so this is your logic gate standard gate. Okay, you can see here all the gate symbols are draw here. Okay, AND gate, NOT gate, OR gate, XOR gate, NOR gate, XNOR gate, and NAND gate. Okay, these are the various types of gates you can see here. Okay, AND gate, NOT gate, and OR gate are basic gates. Okay, NAND gate and NOR gate, okay, are called universal gates. Okay, because you can drive, okay, basic gates, okay, by using these two gates, okay, like NAND and NOR gate. That's why, okay, these gates are called universal gate. Okay, XOR gate is here also, XOR gate is here also. Okay, so now we will perform, okay, or verify the truth table of each gate one by one. Okay, now see here. Okay, first, what is gate? Okay, okay, so a gate, okay, is an electronic circuit which makes logical decisions. The most common logic gates are AND, OR, NOT, NAND, and NOR gate. Okay, NAND and NOR gate are called as universal gates. Okay, another two gates are like XOR and XNOR gate. Okay, so here this total 7 gates, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now one by one, okay, we will verify the truth table of each gate. Okay, now see here, your first gate is here, AND gate. Okay, so this gate, okay, AND gate, okay, AND gate performs logical multiplication. Okay, it is known as AND function. Okay, the AND gate has two or more input and a single output. Okay, where now you can see uh, the expression for AND gate. Okay, expression for AND gate is A dot B. Okay, your where where your dot, okay, where the dot denotes the AND operation. Okay, you can see here your output will be Y is equal to A dot B. A and B are inputs. Okay, okay, you can see here this A input and B input. Okay, so and this is your truth table for AND gate. Okay, here two inputs are here, okay, X and Y. Okay, you can write here A and B also. Okay, this is your Z means your output. Okay, now see here A dot B operation, okay, multiplication operation. Okay, 800, okay, your output should be 0. 801, your output should be 0. 810, your output should be 0. Okay, 811, when both the inputs are high, okay, your output would be 1. Okay, means high here. Okay, now see. Okay, next, this is your logic gate standard gate. Okay, okay, we can perform the gates, okay, here one by one. Like this is your AND gate. Okay, this is the input terminals of AND gate, this is the output terminals of AND gate, this is the input section of this standard gate, and this is the output section of standard gate. From input section, okay, we will Okay, apply here the input on input terminal of the gate. Okay, now see here, this is your first input. You can see here, this is your first input A, this is your second input B, and connect output terminal to the output section. For inputs you will connect patch codes here, for output you will connect patch codes to the output section. Okay, now okay, now we will apply here the input. Okay, now one more thing here. Okay, this is your toggle switch. Okay, this is your input section. Okay, this is your toggle switch. You can see here toggle switch. Okay, now here one digit is here 0, one is here 1. Okay, when your input is high, okay, means 1, then this LED will glow here, means your input is okay going there high. Okay, means 1. When this is 0, okay, your input is here low. Okay, so first input from here, second input from here. Okay, you can connect this terminal anywhere. Okay, for your convenience. So 800, what should be output? 800 for AND gate, your output should be 0 there. Okay, now see here, this is 1 1. Okay, first 0 0 0 and 0. Okay, here is 0 and here is also 0. Okay, how can you know? Here your LED is not glowing, here your LED is not glowing. Okay, so at 0 0 your output should be there 0 or low. Okay, so you can see here your output is here low. Okay, 8 0 1 your output should be low. 8 0 1 your output should be low, your output is here 0. 8 1 0 your output should be low there, so you can see here your output is here low. Okay, now 8 1 1. Okay, 8 1 1, when both the inputs are high. Okay, when both the inputs are high, your output should be here 1. Okay, so you can see here this is your AND gate operation. Okay, second is your okay, second gate is, now you can see here this is your NOT gate. Okay, your NOT gate is a single input and single output gate, only one input and one output gate. Okay, so in case of NOT gate, when you will apply here 0, okay, your output should be here 1. When you will apply here 1, your output should be there 0. So you can see here this is a symbol of NOT gate. Okay, your input is here now 0. Okay, the output of this NOT gate is here 1, and when your input is here 1, now your output is here 0. Okay, so you can see here this is the symbol for NOT gate, one input, your output should be like this. Okay, this is the expression for NOT gate. Okay, now you can see here the truth table for this 0 1 1 0. Okay, next is OR gate. Next is here next is OR gate. So in case of OR gate is also 2 input and 1 output. Okay, in case of OR gate, okay, you discussed about OR gate. In case of OR gate, okay, now we are applying here two inputs A and B, A and B. Okay, OR means addition of two okay inputs like 0 and 1. Okay, see here, okay, you can here 800. Okay, 800, your output should be 0, 80 and 0. When the both the inputs are here low, means 0 0, your output should be there 0. When 0 1, if either input, okay, of the OR gate is high, your output will be 1. And when both the inputs are high, then your output will be 1 here. Okay, so verify here. Okay, 810, 810 1, 801 output is here 1, 811 output is here 1. Okay, so this is the expression for, okay, OR gate, like this one, y is equal to x plus y. Okay, so we are, this is the addition of two inputs. Okay, so come to the next. Okay, now see here, this is your NAND gate. NAND gate is also called as universal gate. Okay, so NAND gate is a combination of two gates, okay, and an NOT gate. Okay, so in case of NAND gate, okay, this is the symbol of NAND gate here. This is similar to AND gate. Okay, and here this bubble symbol will show the NOT gate. Okay, so in NAND gate, okay, this is your NAND gate, this is the expression for NAND gate. Okay, when both the inputs are low at 0 0, okay, 0.0, 0 multiplied by 0, result will be 0. And you are using it in NOT gate also, this will, okay, indicate you are using a NOT gate. Okay, it will reverse your output, okay, 0 to 1, so your output should be here 1. In case of 0 1, your output should be 1. In case of 1 0, there should be 1. 8 1 1, your output should be 0. Okay, so verify this one. Okay, 800, your output should be there 1 or high. Okay, 801, okay, 801, first input is 0, second is 1, your output should be there 1. 810, your output should be high. Okay, 811, your output should be there 0 or low. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so this is your NAND gate. Okay, now next gate is NOR gate. Okay, NOR gate is also called universal gate. Okay, in case of NOR gate, okay, NOR gate is a combination of two gates. Okay, OR gate and NOT gate. Okay, you can see here, this is your OR gate. Okay, bubble is here, means NOT gate is here, you are using here NOT gate. So the output of, okay, NOR gate will be like this. Okay, now you can see the symbol of NOR gate here. Okay, this is a symbol of NOR gate. Okay, this is the expression for NOR gate, x plus y whole bar. Okay, so when the both inputs are low, your output should be high or 1. Okay, okay, when the both inputs are high, your output should be low or 0. Okay, you can see here, we will verify this gate also. Okay, 800, your output should be high. You can see here, your output is 0 when both the inputs are low here, 0 and 0. Okay, when your 801, 801, okay, your output should be there 0. You can see here, your output is here low. 810, your output should be there low. 811, your output should be there low. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so okay, we have been performed, we have been verify YouTube table of NOR gate also. Okay, next one is your XOR gate. Okay, these gates, these two gates are also called special, okay, purpose gates also. Okay, like, okay, XOR gate and XNOR gate. Okay, first input, second input, and output to the output terminal. Okay, in XOR gate, okay, XOR or exclusive OR gate. Okay, exclusive OR gate, okay, is a gate with two or more inputs and one output. The output of a two input XOR gate, okay, you can see here two inputs, one output. Okay, this is your XOR gate, this is the symbol of XOR gate, and this is the truth table of XOR gate. Okay, when both the inputs, okay, when both the inputs, in case of XOR gate, when the both inputs are same, okay, okay, whether inputs are low or whether inputs are high, okay, your output should be there low, your output should be, your output should be low. Okay, like your both inputs are here 0 and 0, your output should be there 0 or low. When both the outputs are high, okay, or similar, your output should be there low. Okay, when either of the input is different or one, okay, you can see your output should be there high or 1. Okay, so you can see, okay, when both inputs are low 0 and 0, your output should be there low. You can see here the output here, okay, your output is here low or 0. When, okay, at 1 1, now second case is 1 1, your output should be here 0. Okay, when either of the input is high, okay, you can see here your output is there high also. Okay, at 1 0 or 0 1, your output is here high. Okay, the expression for XOR gate is, okay, this is the expression for your XOR gate. You can see here X XOR Y. Okay, 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 now how you can write this expression for the XOR gate. Okay, you can see here in case of XOR gate, okay, you can, okay, 8 0 0, your output is, your output is 8 0 0, your output is here low 0. 8 0 1, your output is 1. 8 1 0, your output is here 1. 8 1 1, your output is here 0. Okay, so see the ones at the output end for write expression. So how can you write expression for XOR gate? See here, okay, at the output of XOR gate, okay, here 1 1, at first one, what are the inputs here? Okay, a is low, so you can write here bar, b is high. Okay, plus, okay, second one plus a b bar. Okay, okay, okay. So you can write like this. Okay, simply you can write a XOR b. Okay, so this is your XOR gate. Now next one is your XNOR gate. Okay, XNOR gate. What is XNOR gate? XNOR gate is XOR gate followed by NOT gate. Okay, you can see here the vowel sign here. Okay, this vowel sign, okay, indicates that you are using here NOT gate. Okay, so in case of XNOR gate, okay, this gate is opposite to XOR gate. This gate is opposite to XNOR gate. Okay, now you can see here in case of XOR gate, in case of XOR gate, you can see here when both the inputs are low, your output is here low. Okay, here low. Okay, when the either of the input is, okay, high, okay, you can see here your output is here high. In case of XNOR gate, okay, okay, draw here truth table 8 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, the output of XNOR gate is opposite to the XOR gate. At 0 0, your output should be here 1, and when either of the input is high, okay, your output should be 0, and at 1 1, your output should be here 1. Okay, okay. So verify this truth table. Okay, here when both inputs are low, 0 or 0, 0 and 0, your output should be there high or 1. Okay, you can see here this is a high. When either of the input is high, okay, you can see here your b input is here high, your output is here 0. You can see here your output is here low or 0. Okay, you can see here 8 0 1 or 1 0, your output should be 0. Okay, and at 1 1, when the both inputs are here high, okay, your output here high, your output should be there high. Okay, so how can you write the expression for this? Okay, see here the ones, how many ones are here? 1 or 2 ones are here. Okay, how can you write the expression for XNOR gate? Okay, y is equal to, okay, at first one a b bar, both the inputs are low, a bar b bar, okay, plus a and b. Okay, simply you can write the expression for this is dot product XNOR symbol sign dot b. So this is the expression for XNOR gate, and this is the expression for XOR gate. Okay, now we can see the table. Okay, now we have been verified the truth table for all gates. Okay, so this was your experiment about logic gates and verify their truth table. Okay, thank you.